southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong storm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Rockaway Beach and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crown Heights and Canarsie around 2:50 p.m. Kennedy Airport, Cedarhurst, Howard Beach and Ozone Park around 2:55 p.m. Valley Stream, Lynbrook, Jamaica, Woodmere, Flushing, Forest Hills and Oceanside around 3 p.m. Freeport, Garden City, Hempstead, Baldwin, Belmont, Little Neck and Clearview Expressway around 3:05 p.m. Mineola, Westbury, Great Neck, Manhasset and Port Washington around 3:10 p.m. Oyster Bay, Syosset, Leavitt Townsend, Bayville, Brookville and Hicksville around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Hempstead, Thomaston, East Hills, East Rockaway, Jericho, East Williston, Herricks, East Meadow, Hewlett, and Muncie Park. Strong storms produce damaging winds and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in New York.